Value Service is a revolutionary new analytics tool for the iron ore industry. MVS was introduced in response to the iron ore market's need for more sophisticated value analytics. As the market continues to grow in sophistication, liquidity and scale, MVS is well placed to help market traders, banks, miners and end users to make better investment and trading decisions. In October 2013, MVS entered into a partnership with Platts, a leading global provider of iron ore benchmark price information. Under the agreement, Platts and the Steel Index, which is a separate unit within Platts, provide a broad set of iron ore and steel-related price assessments, including Platts IODEX and TSI 62% Fe iron ore prices, which form an integral part of the custom calculations performed by the MVS tool. So how does it work? MVS is a cutting-edge web application that can be accessed through any internet-connected device. It is a secure, dynamic platform that allows users to view and edit data and generate a number of custom calculations. First, I want to show you the MVS dashboard, which summarizes key information selected by you so you can quickly visualize and understand intelligence relating to value and use pricing and customizable market analysis. By incorporating proprietary formulas and daily updated steel plant input cost and freight data, MVS can offer plant-specific value in use calculations for any grade of iron ore. The MVS VIU1 calculation is a furnace-specific technical value in use comparison. It allows MVS users to calculate the value of substituting a ton of index or competitor grade product for a ton of their specific ore. The technical value in use calculation is based on dynamic market conditions. Incorporating over 40 steel plant and blast furnace characteristics and data points, the MVS user can gain daily insight into the value in use calculation for differentials between a specific iron ore grade and its benchmark index, referring to a chosen steel plant. The calculation of premiums and penalties directly refers to the impact of product specifications on the selected steel plant's production cost structure. The impact of particular chemical and physical properties of your ore is displayed in a simple chart. You can also gain a more detailed insight into how specific properties of your ore are affecting cost structure of a particular steel mill, and therefore value of your product by drilling down into each subdriver. Here you can see the steelmaking cost impacts of each percentage variation in specification. In addition to the technical differentiating factors, the global location and relative transportation costs also decide which customers would be the best logical buyers for any given ore. MVS's logistics netback calculator takes these important factors into consideration and gives you a full and immediate view on the relative DDP, CFR and ex-works pricing of your ore for every steel plant in the database. This holistic view of best suited customers around the world includes the technical value assigned to your specific product, as well as your logistics position and transportation cost affecting the total price. By updating logistics costs daily, MVS is able to provide users with a dynamic view of optimal global customer rankings for miners and traders of iron ore. By modeling target value in use price and logistics calculations, the MVS tool provides users with an optimal demand curve for your specific iron ore product, detailing potential sales volumes, optimum customer allocation, and average price targets. The result of MVS's value in use calculation is an easily accessible ranking of possible customers around the world. The insight into the basket of your potential customers will include data on your product's netback and potential maximum order quantity, based on up-to-date production and capacity data. You are also able to access more rigorous information regarding specific steel plants on the list, including details of your value in use calculation, furnace parameters, as well as proposed logistics routes. By leveraging Platts data, MVS is able to bring this exciting and invaluable insight to real-world pricing of spot market transactions. By pulling together this unique data set of reported transactions, MVS is able to offer a comprehensive and customizable window into the spot market, updated daily. Users can access a full, searchable and filterable database of reported trades used in the compilation of the leading iron ore indexes, including volumes, specifications, and in some cases counterparties for each reported trade. By filtering for trades, you can identify and analyze the dollar premia and discounts the spot market places on varying chemical or physical characteristics of iron ore grades over time. By using MVS's value in use calculations, alongside spot market transactions and clearly identifiable spreads versus indexes, users are able to enter negotiations with a robust and clearly demonstrable understanding of the market value placed on differentiating specification factors. While it is vital to know the value of your own product and your potential best customers, it is also useful to quickly check how your product compares to an industry benchmark or a competitor product available on the market. You can use the benchmarking feature to compare technical value in use of the same class of iron ore product to either a different product of your own or a product of a competitor based on an MVS modelled typical regional supply base. MVS models over 120 typical regional supply bases with indicative chemical and physical properties, so even without knowing exact specifications of a competitor product, you can compare a typical regional grade to your own and see what relative dollar value could be assigned for each chemical and physical variance in technical evaluation. This provides an informative and standardized set of negotiation levers when discussing pricing with a particular steel mill, as it gives you an indication of why your product would be valued more than your competitors or an industry benchmark. You can also compare top customers for any class of iron ore products from your own product selection in a specific trading scenario. This view allows you to quickly calculate and refer to the different dollar values accruing to each differentiating element versus the base case, depending on trading volume and logistics. This calculation will display the list of top customers for each product worldwide, the netback value for this particular product, the CFR value, and the maximum order quantity. It gives you a more detailed comparison of the values and volumes that the steel mills around the world assign for each of your own products. All MVS calculations are based on an extensive database of steel mills, regional and international cost data, as well as logistics around the world. You can now also access this data through the map-based search feature of the MVS tool. It proves especially useful to analyze regional clusters of steel plants and to get a better understanding of potential logistic routes to existing and new customers. You can look up particular steel plant and furnace details and see how it influences technical value in use calculations for your specific iron ore product and how it ranks in the basket of potential customers. Summary value in use calculations, as well as steel plant technical and production data, can be searched, reviewed, and updated from the map. MVS has worked with customers to provide a platform for capturing in-house knowledge and understanding about technical and customer information. The drop chat feature allows you to communicate live with your colleagues whilst using the application, to ensure alignment across your organization. You can also upload and share files on the Integrated Document Repository, which helps you and your colleagues all over the world to be as productive and cohesive as humanly possible. No more lost email attachments. All relevant information can be stored, indexed, and encrypted in one secure location. The MVS application can guide you towards more informed negotiations, unlocking more value for your products. You can optimize your global sales management, gain a better understanding of how your products compare with the index and competitor products, and obtain insight into your product in the context of the wider market. So if you're looking for a tool to help you achieve your commercial goals, then contact a member of the team for your personal demo, customized to wherever you sit in the supply chain. We look forward to welcoming you soon.